All right, wanted to show you the setup for the first two and then the solving for the third warm-up problem. Remembering that we're going to have a quiz next class. So just make sure that you're practicing. Make sure that you understand what's going on here. So first one, you had to first be careful with your factoring, right? So difference of cubes, we think of that as x cubed minus 2 cubed. So that's going to be x minus 2 times x squared. Then we change the sign. So it's a plus. We do 2 times x and then always a positive, and we square to make it a 4. So that part is key. Then we have our two fractions. So x minus 2 is linear, gets an a up top. X squared plus 2x plus 4 is quadratic. So we're going to use our linear basic form. So bx plus c. So there's our setup there. Number 2, we have a linear factor, but it's repeated. So we put one of them, then we put two of them. We have just an A and a B. So again, even though I see the square there, the term itself is linear. So that's all we need for the setup. So the number 3, you were solving all the way through this problem. So you had to start out factoring. A key here was seeing that you could take out the x, and you had x squared minus 4, which factored down again. So you have to factor all the way through. So make sure that you're factoring all the way. Factor to an x minus 2 and x plus 2. So I split it up, each factor just with a constant up top. Then I multiplied through by the common denominator, which was x times x minus 2 times x plus 2. All right, you can see what happened here. So at this point, really what I want to do is let you check my work. So if that takes you a little bit, that's okay. You can see my system here. This is a great place to check. Pause at any point if you need to. I could find my A right away. Then I could cancel out. So even though I could find the A, there wasn't anywhere just to plug it in to solve. So I did plug it into the top equation, which made it so that I could eliminate in those two equations. So then I got that B was -5 and C was 4. So here's my final answer. 3 over x plus 4 over x plus 2 minus 5 over x minus 2. If you switched up this order, it's still correct. 3 over x minus 5 over x minus 2 plus 4 over x plus 2. Order does not matter as long as you have the correct sign and they're paired up with the right thing. All right, hope that went okay. Do some extra practice before next class if you need to. If you're feeling good about it, maybe do 1 or 2 over the weekend just to stay fresh. All right, continue your lesson.